Importing a contact list. If you have a list of contacts that you would like to upload all at once into your account, you can import the entire list as either a mailing list or a contact list. This video will demonstrate how to upload a contact list, which will allow each individual contact in the list to be viewed and managed within your database after being imported. First, select Manage Contacts and then click Import Contacts from another program. If you would like to have our support staff upload your list to your account for you, click the first option. Click to let us import your contacts. Click to accept the digital signature if you see a warning pop up, and then upload your list by dragging and dropping it from your desktop or by browsing for it. This sends the list directly to our support staff, and they will have it uploaded to your account within 3 business days. If you would rather upload the list on your own instead of waiting the 3 business days, click the option to use one of our templates and then choose Generic Importer from the drop-down menu. You can then download the generic template and save it to your desktop. This is what you will use to import your contact information. Open the generic importer on your desktop and then also the file containing your contact information. Without changing any of the column headings, place all of your contact's information into the appropriate fields in the template. You can do this by highlighting one column at a time in your Excel file, copying and pasting it into the template. Note that phone numbers, email addresses, mailing addresses, websites, etc. all include a type field as well as a value field. Here in the phone numbers section, for example, the columns are as follows: phone type 1, phone 1, phone type 2, phone 2. The type column is a label in case you need to keep track of which numbers are mobile, home phones, office numbers, etc. The actual phone number must go into the phone 1 column. Similarly, in the address section, I will leave the First Address Type 1 column blank and begin adding my addresses in the First Address 1 column. Any data in the type field will be added into your database inside a drop-down menu to use as a type selector. Once you have finished adding all your information, resave the file to your computer. Make sure it is saved as a CSV file, not an Excel file. You can check this in the File Type area underneath the file name when you save it. Now, go back to Manage Contacts, Import Contacts, click to use our templates, and choose Generic Importer again. This time, click Upload New List. And if you see an error message about a digital signature, allow it to run. Use our uploader to either drag and drop your file from your desktop into the window or browse for it in your files. Once it finishes loading, you will be prompted to add a group name. You can name the group anything you would like, but we do suggest that you do not leave it blank. Adding a group name makes it much easier to track the contacts later and make group-wide changes or adjustments if needed. You can even delete the entire group and re-upload it if there are any mistakes. Now click Continue only once and wait for it to load. Clicking multiple times will create multiple copies of your contacts. When it is done, you will see the Quick Search page again, and you can go ahead and search for your clients or click Address Book to view them in a list.